Hi everybody, welcome to this 2-minute techie tip about Mixbook. Mixbook is an amazing Web 2.0 tool that lets you create real digital books online, but it also gives you the option to actually print out the books, and I have done that. They really give you wonderful high quality materials, but because in education we want to be 21st century learners and thinkers, we want to think digitally, and we want to think about publishing our students' work so that more people can look at it and comment, and we can share it with the world. Mixbook is a wonderful free tool. The URL is just mixbook.com, and when I log in I just can create a free account. My home screen is here, and when I click on my home screen, this is kind of my dashboard. I can go to my projects, and I have a couple of different things that I have done. I'm going to show you then how I'm going to edit. I've got this book started called Cats and Dogs, and it's pretty simple. Another term for Mixbook is it's in the category of digital storytelling. So fiction, nonfiction, even auction items, fabulous tool to use. But students can truly be creative, and finished work can be published into a wiki, blog, Google Doc, or Google app, any online platform. So I have my book here, and I only have a few pages done. Here, I'll show you. I just click the page, so it is a flip format where I can just turn my page, and this will display exactly like this in a wiki or a blog or Google app. Let's edit it, and I'll show you a little bit about the screen that you're going to need to know for working with students. Okay, so here's my work area when I am editing a Mixbook project. I'm going to start over here on the left side. My photos are all over here. Now, I can have digital photos. I can, of course, scanned images. Hand-drawn images can be taken a picture on a document camera, you can upload that. So really anything is possible. iPads, if you have a drawing app, you can upload here. So my photos are all here. My check marks say, oh, you have used this already. I am just going to show you quickly how do I add to this gallery all the photos that I have. And it's the same process that you would expect uploading a photo from any site. I'm going to get to my desktop. Okay, so you're going to navigate to an image the exact same way that you would in any real application. Here's a JPEG. A JPEG file format is always going to be better than a PNG or a bitmap or something. And here's just a tag cloud, word cloud that I created. I'm going to say open. I have an error message here that I'm just going to get rid of. And it says, all right, here's the name of my file. There you go. So I can close that. I uploaded this image. You can see it right here. Now let's kind of look over here. I've got 4 tabs here that you want to pay attention to. With every page in the book, I can get a different layout. So as I'm building my pages, I can choose, do I want like a little image over here and then some room to decorate? This would be a text area. Do I want to have a picture here? So your layout will give you kind of your theme and how you want your page to be structured. Backgrounds will let you choose, think scrapbooking, paper choices, color choices, kind of your texture. And then the really fun part for kids, stickers. So again, very much like scrapbooking, and many people refer to this as digital scrapbooking. All right, so let's start to add a little bit to my book here. And here, my orientation at the bottom of the screen, I can see I've got the front cover, I've got page 1, I've got page 2 and 3 of my book, page 4 and 5. Let's go here. I'm just going to go back to my photos, and I am going to, I've got a cat here and I've got a cat here. How about if I just pull my cat here and then I say, I've got a caption, and this cat's name is Cubby. So I'm going to highlight that. Cubby loves to cuddle. I don't know if I have a spelling error there. Highlight it, and then I want to increase that. Here I can make it bold, I can change the text. And then I'm just ready to go, and I could go to the next page, and I could also just add pets are wonderful. So I can add text, I can change this at any time. I can add color to my text, and then I can do a, let's see, I'll just get an image over here. And again, I can change my layout, I can add text, and as I go, I can see that my book has 20 pages. Here are my options to add a blank page, to duplicate a page, remove a page. So it's really very flexible in how you're going to do this. And little sliders will let you see this visually. Once you get started, it's a pretty simple process. Stickers work the same way. I can do thought bubbles and labels. If I'm just going to do like a thought text, these are my dogs, and I could have text in there, or just even add a separate text box to a part of a page. So I want to save this, and then when I am ready for this, I am going to save this, and I will need to get back to my edit section for me to embed this into a wiki. Okay, so this page, let's say we're done with our book. I'm all ready to go. I can close this window. I know I've saved it. And then here I have the updated version that I'm looking at. So I'm back in my Mixbook editing section, and this is gonna now update all the changes that I made. And I can come through and see what my pages are, and then I'm going to be ready to publish. I have other options here, but digital learners, we always want to look for publish or share or embed. When I say publish, I want to name it, I want to get all of my as much information as I can here, and then I can say publish Mixbook. Okay, so after I have clicked on the publish button and I have made sure everything is saved, I kind of need to look around in my dashboard section, and for my book, for my specific book, My Pets, and if I scroll down here, I am looking for the embed code. This is really what you need for your wiki. So when I see my embed code here, I am going to highlight it all, and it'll be a lot of text. I want to click on it and make sure I select it all, and then I'm going to copy it, and then this is the code that I take and I go to my wiki page. On my wiki page, when I edit, one of the choices on the floating toolbar on my wiki page is a widget. And the widget will let me paste this embed code. So I select a widget and then I'm going to choose other. So one of the choices in the widget, you can paste code for videos, you can paste code for maps, PowerPoints, but I'm going to choose other, and then I will be able to embed this code and this book, it'll display as a flip book, into my wiki page. All right, so I hope that was helpful, and I hope you enjoy Mixbook and that we keep on learning.